Ayan, nag-order lang si Ebab ng aming dinner kasi late na kami dumating at walang nailabas na karne. So, nag-order na lang siya ng Chinese food. Wala Chinese ba? Let's see what's in this side. Oh, meron prawn toast. Yummy. This is the one I like. Sarap nito guys. Promise. Meron kayong buntun. Ay, hindi ito buntun. Mongolian beef. Ano to? Honey chicken. Kaming in-order beef. Then, patong buo ko nito. Ano to? Duck. Fried duck. This is the fried duck. And, of course, hindi mawawala yung honey. Ano to? Sauce ng duck. Yan. Ewan ko, sweet and sour. Ano ba to? Then, special fried rice. Then, ang dami. Meron akong wonton soup. Kasi malamig, maulan. Sabaw na may ito siya, siomay. Siomay pork. Pork siomay. Yun lang guys, tara. Tayo magdidina na. Bye! Let's go!